Good morning, students. My name is Seema. Today I will focus on what is the difference between Java and Python. Who is better? First of all, we will discuss about what is Java. Java is an object oriented and platform independent programming language used for developing various applications. Next is Python. Python is a simple, open source, and object oriented programming language used for artificial intelligence, machine learning, web application, and many more. Now we will discuss the difference. Java is extremely fast compared to Python because Java is a compiled language and Python is interpreted language. So compile language is always faster. It takes less time to execute a code. So in the term of speed, Java is faster than Python as it is statically typed and compiled language. It performs the checking at the compile time. On the other hand, Python is dynamically typed and an interpreted language. The phrase dynamically type means that Python performs type checking at runtime. If we look at the length of Python, it consists less number of lines or shorter codes as compared to Java, which are also easy to understand. Another characteristic is database. Java database connectivity is most powerful and widely used to connect, whereas Python database access layer are weaker than JDBC. That is why it is rarely used in enterprises.